If you want to save your resume from Indeed, then this is the exact tutorial that you're going to need. The steps are pretty easy and straightforward, so all you have to do is to follow what I teach you. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged into your account or you already have an account created. Now, from here, from your dashboard or your home, you're just going to head on the profile or the account icon at the top right corner of the screen until this drop down menu appears. So from the drop down, you're just going to see the profile right here. You're going to give that a tap. And then from your profile page, if you just scroll down a little bit or if you look down a little bit, you'll see this resume section. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the existing resume on this section, and then from this page you're going to click on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here you're just going to click on download and your resume will be saved. So if you just hit this open, you'll be able to see your resume right here. And that's it. That is how you can save your resume from Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.